So it's really important to try and stay cool because we're going to have some really severe temperatures coming up. The most important thing that people can do is really just stay indoors in air conditioning. To have air conditioning, that's the most important thing. For folks that don't have air conditioning, we recommend that you go to places that do, public buildings, libraries, malls, shopping malls, movie theaters, wherever you can find air conditioning. Even getting in the air conditioning for a few hours out of the day can really reduce your risk of getting heat-related illness. Other things that people can do, obviously, you want to drink plenty of fluids. And you want to drink even if you're not thirsty. By the time you wait till you start feeling thirsty, you're actually pretty dehydrated. So you want to just kind of keep drinking throughout the day. If you're going to exercise or go outdoors in the heat, you want to drink a lot more than you think even you need. Try to avoid drinking alcoholic beverages, even though when you drink alcoholic beverages, particularly beer, you take in a lot of fluids. It can actually dehydrate you more than give you what you need, so that's really important. We also recommend people plan their outdoor activities around the heat. So if you got to go outside, do it in the early morning, do it in the late evening, particularly if you're going to be doing something strenuous, exercising. If you're, when you do go outside, wear sunscreen. Sunburn can really increase, it really decreases your body's ability to cool off when you're sunburned. And then also wear light clothing, protective clothing, a hat if you have one with a brim, that will protect you from the sun. The only other thing I'd recommend is, be really careful about leaving pets outside and also in the car. Lots of times people will just run into the store for a few minutes, but your pets or children for that matter, if you leave them in the car, can get dehydrated or get overheated really quickly in temperatures like we're going to be seeing. So that's all really important stuff that you can do. Fairly common sense stuff, but things that you have to keep in mind.